Frustrated with the Acdbmgd Library DLL pop-up blocking Autodesk? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Avoid long manual edits for Acdbmgd Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Acdbmgd Library, the AutoCAD Database Managed library. It provides the managed.NET wrapper for the unmanaged AutoCAD database engine. It facilitates the data link for localized C bars and VB.NET plugins to manipulate DWG and DXF manifests. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Acdbmgd is a third-party application file associated with Autodesk. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of Autodesk will restore the correct version of this file. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Acdbmgd library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Acdbmgd Library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Acdbmgd Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Acdbmgd Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.